Hey Jaggy, having a hard time figuring out where to search for your classes? Don't worry, Fred. Here's a quick guide. Step 1. Navigate to sjcc.edu. Step 2. Hover to Academics and click Class Schedule. Step 3. Go down the page and click Search Course Catalog. Step 4. You will now appear in a class search. You'll be given two options for the search engine, either Subject Search or Advanced Search. Subject Search allows you to look for your courses in alphabetical order, while Advanced Search will have access to terms, course sections, days of the week, location, academic level, time of day, and course type. Start and end date. Pick a search engine for your particular need. There you go, Jaggy. Now you know how to search for your classes.